Nassau, the vibrant capital of the Bahamas, is renowned for its stunning beaches, turquoise waters, and rich cultural heritage. While famous attractions like Paradise Island and Cable Beach draw thousands of visitors each year, Nassau also offers a plethora of lesser-known treasures that provide a more intimate glimpse into the island's unique charm. Arbo Global, an organization dedicated to discovering and promoting hidden travel gems, has curated a list of the top 5 must-visit spots in Nassau that promise to enrich your Bahamian adventure. 5. Clifton Heritage National Park. Nestled on the western tip of New Providence Island, Clifton Heritage National Park is a sanctuary of natural beauty and historical significance. This park offers visitors a chance to explore the rich cultural tapestry of the Bahamas, with its diverse ecosystems, historical ruins, and vibrant marine life. Clifton Heritage National Park is steeped in history, dating back to the Lucayan Indians, the original inhabitants of the Bahamas. The park also features remnants of the Loyalist era, including plantation ruins and slave quarters, which offer a poignant glimpse into the island's past. Informative plaques and guided tours provide context and bring the stories of these historical sites to life. The park's natural landscapes are equally captivating. Walking trails meander through coastal wetlands, rocky cliffs, and pristine beaches. The underwater sculpture garden, featuring works by renowned artist Jason DeCaires Taylor, is a highlight for snorkelers and divers. These sculptures are designed to promote coral growth, creating an artificial reef teeming with marine life. Visitors can enjoy a range of activities, from hiking and birdwatching to snorkeling and picnicking. The tranquil setting makes it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection away from the bustling tourist hotspots. 4. The National Art Gallery of the Bahamas. Located in a beautifully restored 19th century mansion, the National Art Gallery of the Bahamas, NAGB, is a cultural gem that showcases the artistic talent and heritage of the Bahamas. This hidden treasure is a must-visit for art enthusiasts and anyone interested in Bahamian culture. The NAGB houses an impressive collection of Bahamian art, spanning from the colonial period to contemporary works. The gallery features paintings, sculptures, and mixed media installations that reflect the diverse cultural influences and historical events that have shaped the Bahamas. Rotating exhibitions ensure that there is always something new to see, highlighting both established and emerging artists. The NAGB is more than just a museum. It is a hub for community engagement and education. The gallery offers workshops, lectures, and interactive programs designed to foster creativity and appreciation for the arts. These initiatives provide valuable opportunities for visitors to engage with the local art scene and gain deeper insights into Bahamian culture. The gallery's architecture and surrounding gardens are attractions in themselves. The historic mansion, with its elegant colonial design, offers a glimpse into Nassau's architectural past. The lush gardens provide a serene setting for reflection and relaxation, making a visit to the NAGB a holistic cultural experience. 3. Graycliff Hotel and Restaurant. Graycliff Hotel and Restaurant, located in the heart of Nassau, is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of history, luxury, and culinary excellence. This historic mansion, dating back to the 18th century, has been transformed into a luxurious boutique hotel and gourmet restaurant, providing an unforgettable experience for visitors. Graycliff's rich history is evident in its architecture and decor. The mansion was originally built by Captain John Howard Graysmith, a pirate turned privateer, and has since hosted a variety of notable guests, including Winston Churchill and the Beatles. The hotel's antique furnishings and historic ambience transport guests to a bygone era of elegance and sophistication. Graycliff Restaurant is renowned for its exquisite cuisine, blending Bahamian flavors with international influences. The restaurant's extensive wine cellar, one of the largest in the Caribbean, boasts over 250,000 bottles, offering an unparalleled selection for wine enthusiasts. Guests can also tour the wine cellar and participate in wine tastings, enhancing their dining experience. In addition to its luxurious accommodations and gourmet dining, Graycliff offers several unique attractions. The Graycliff Cigar Company produces hand-rolled cigars on site, allowing guests to witness the craftsmanship firsthand. The Graycliff Chocolatier offers tours and tastings, showcasing the art of chocolate making. These experiences add an extra layer of luxury and indulgence to a visit to Graycliff. 2. The Retreat Garden National Park. Tucked away in the bustling city of Nassau, the Retreat Garden National Park is a botanical paradise that offers a peaceful escape from the urban environment. This hidden gem, managed by the Bahamas National Trust, is home to one of the largest private collections of rare and exotic palms in the world. The Retreat Garden National Park boasts over 170 species of palms, making it a haven for plant enthusiasts and nature lovers. The garden's lush tropical landscape features winding paths, serene ponds, and vibrant flora, creating a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Informative signs and guided tours provide insights into the diverse plant species and their ecological significance. The Retreat Garden National Park is not just a place for quiet contemplation. It also hosts a variety of activities and events. Regularly scheduled yoga classes, art exhibitions, and cultural events provide opportunities for visitors to engage with the local community and enjoy the garden's serene beauty. The park's serene ambience and natural beauty make it a perfect spot for picnics, photography, and leisurely strolls. 1. John Watling's Distillery. Located on the historic Buena Vista Estate, John Watling's Distillery offers visitors a unique glimpse into the art of rum making. This hidden gem combines history, craftsmanship, and Bahamian hospitality, making it a must-visit spot for those looking to experience the island's cultural heritage. The distillery is housed in the Buena Vista Estate, which dates back to 1789. The estate's historic buildings and lush gardens provide a picturesque backdrop for exploring the distillery and learning about its rich history. Guided tours offer insights into the estate's past and its significance in Bahamian history. John Watling's Distillery produces a range of premium rums using traditional methods and locally sourced ingredients. Visitors can tour the distillery to see the rum-making process firsthand, from the fermentation of the sugarcane molasses to the aging of the rum in oak barrels. The tour concludes with a tasting session, where guests can sample the distillery's signature rums and learn about their unique flavor profiles. Nassau, with its blend of vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning natural beauty, offers a wealth of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Clifton Heritage National Park, the National Art Gallery of the Bahamas, Graycliff Hotel and Restaurant, the Retreat Garden National Park, and John Watling's Distillery each provide unique and enriching experiences that go beyond the typical tourist attractions. Arbo Global's curated list highlights these must-visit spots, ensuring that your visit to Nassau is filled with memorable and authentic Bahamian adventures. By exploring these lesser-known treasures, visitors can gain a deeper understanding of Nassau's heritage, engage with the local community, and appreciate the island's natural beauty. Whether you are a history buff, art enthusiast, nature lover, or rum connoisseur, Nassau's hidden gems offer something for everyone. So, venture off the beaten path and discover the captivating charm of these extraordinary locations with Arbo Global as your guide. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.